What the hell did I buy now? Hello everybody, we're back with Redbird Auto. Quick update video because it's winter time, nothing really going on. But I am starting to get stuff together for a new project. Well, it's not really the new project, but I'm adding to the current project. We're doing the 03 Cummins, the red truck. We're gonna get that going. That's gonna be the Redbird tow rig. It's gonna be, you know, something like this. Something like this truck right here. I love this thing. That's the truck I learned how to drive on, and that's the bread and butter. But that's my dad's truck. It's not mine, so I can't use it all the time, obviously. And I have my orange truck, so I wouldn't want to anyway. I bought this truck right here. This is a 2007 Dodge Ram 1500. It's got a lot of front end damage. Well, I mean, you know, damage there. Damage there. But here's the thing. The red truck, the box is all screwed up and the cab is like rotted way out. So this truck, the box is great. For a 3rd gen Ram, oh, not even a lick of rust. That's phenomenal. Even this truck has rust right here, but this one's pristine. Tailgate's pretty good, some dings here and there, but we'll fix those up. We'll do some body filling and stuff like that. And then the cab is okay. So you can see it's starting to rust a little bit, but that's all surface. You can see that's not rotted out, nothing real terrible. On the red Cummins, that's rotted right out. You can't even use it anymore. Like, we could fix it, but it would be a nightmare. And check it out, these doors are good. Underneath the seals here, everything's clean. The doors are great. So the plan then would be to take this cab and that box and swap it onto the red Cummins, and then use my fenders and stuff on the Cummins and rebuild the entire truck. So that's right, we're gonna do a frame off restoration of a 3rd gen Cummins diesel, and by the time it's done, it's gonna be the Redbird tow rig flagship truck. So yeah, we got it here. We got it at the Redbird Ranch, but as you can see, there's so much snow that I don't think we can get in here. So we got a skid steer coming. We might be able to get in, we might not, but we'll see what's happening. And let's go take a walk and see how bad it is. Well, yeah, I wouldn't go very much further. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, so we need to get in here somehow. Not sure how we're going to do that. So we're not getting into the Quonset, that's for sure. Yeah, I don't know, man. Anyway, we're gonna figure this out. We'll get back to you. We're just gonna park it here for now. And then, yeah, wait till spring. Let's give her. All right, so we got the old skid steer out here, and my cousin is clearing us a track, so we gotta put this away somewhere. So yeah, this is what happens in Saskatchewan here at Redbird Auto. Okay, and then yeah, I guess just start digging and see what you can do, I guess. I'm gonna take the drive shaft off because it's locked in park. We don't have keys for it, so I'm gonna take the drive shaft off. And loosened it. Yeah, I moved it. Are you blaming me for that? What are you lost? Lost what? I didn't touch that case. Here's the thing. Drive shaft stuck, So we need to get it unstuck with that there sledgehammer. But I need some encouragement first.
5/16 Hit it harder, Joe.
Yeah, just like that. See, folks, a little bit of beer goes a long way.
As far as I'm concerned, that's America's ass.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, we got her. Let's get this stupid thing off of here. Watch Dad. Down the slope. You're off. Don't drop it now. Keep going. Front end's f***ed anyway. No, he still got it by the diff. Good job there, fella.
Just easy like that.
All right, everybody. This is its final resting place for the rest of winter. Now, we got it all off, everything's successful. So Darcy sits. This box, this cab, she'll be coming off there. It's going on the red truck. Got lots of work to do. As soon as the cars come out, I'm gonna have to do my transmission. That's gonna have to get done on the Redbird. And then once that's done, then we're on to the pickup truck. So pickup truck's gonna be public enemy number one. We're gonna get that done. We're gonna sandblast everything, and oh, it's gonna be so sweet. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're gonna have some videos coming up very shortly. Winter's almost over. It's gonna be done. But until then, just hang on tight. I got a couple videos from last year coming out to keep all 1,300 of you fed, and then more content will be coming for sure. So stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, I really need you to shut up.